CZ dismisses Bitcoin fears as price drops below $85,000. Binance. Bitcoin. CZ. As Bitcoin navigates another price correction, cryptocurrency leaders maintain their characteristic steadfastness amid market turbulence. Veteran crypto executives like CZ and Teng exemplify the seasoned perspective that has weathered Bitcoin through multiple boom-bust cycles, offering an important reminder about volatility's role in an asset class still defining its maturity curve. Last updated, February 26, 2025. Author. Julia Smith. Author. Julia Smith. About author. Julia is an experienced editor with a passion for covering a wide variety of beats. She loves all things politics and regularly covers regulatory updates on emerging technology here for Crypto News. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. February 26, 2025 at 22:31 GMT +2. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Key takeaways. Former Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao (CZ) publicly dismissed concerns about Bitcoin's price decline, encouraging a long-term perspective. Current Binance chief Richard Teng characterized the drop as a tactical retreat rather than a fundamental market shift. Investor sentiment appears mixed, with some expressing frustration while others view the correction as a buying opportunity. U.S. Bitcoin ETFs experienced substantial outflows, with nearly $1 billion withdrawn in a single day. Investor sentiment appears mixed, with some expressing frustration while others view the correction as a buying opportunity. Binance founder Changpeng Zhao (CZ) reassured followers on Wednesday that Bitcoin's price decline is temporary, urging calm in an early morning X post. No need to panic, Bitcoin won't die, the former Binance CEO shared to social media on February 26. Not all investors shared Zhao's confidence as Bitcoin slipped below $85,000. Then can you please stop dumping, sir? One user replied to his post. Time will tell, wrote another. However, some social media users echoed Zhao's optimism, seeing Bitcoin's price drop as temporary. Bitcoin dying? Bitcoin won't even faint, one ex-user said. This is barely a nap. I don't mind the panic, another said. Simply an opportunity. Richard Teng discusses Bitcoin dip on X. Zhao's comments come amid a volatile week for Bitcoin, which has dropped more than 20% from its all-time high of $109,000 in January. Binance CEO Richard Teng, who replaced Zhao in November 2023 after his resignation due to legal challenges, weighed in on Bitcoin's price decline. What we are witnessing now is another short-term tactical retreat, far from a structural decline, Teng said in a February 26 X post. Price movements often overshadow what's happening beneath the surface, but the core drivers of crypto's growth remain firmly intact. Teng pointed to institutional interest, recent ETF activity, and a growing Binance user base as reasons for optimism. It's true that market pullbacks can feel unsettling, Teng added. But they are also moments where seasoned investors position themselves for the next uptrend. Despite Teng's optimism, U.S. spot Bitcoin ETFs recorded their largest single-day outflow, shedding $938 million on February 25. Spot Bitcoin ETFs in the U.S. have struggled this past week, losing a cumulative total of over $2 billion in the last 6 days alone. Bitcoin's ability to recover in the short term will likely depend on market sentiment, regulatory developments, and institutional investment trends. Routine correction or early warning? Bitcoin's current 20% decline from its peak represents standard behavior for an asset that has historically moved in dramatic cycles. Every major Bitcoin bull run has included several sharp pullbacks, teaching veterans to distinguish between routine volatility and actual market breakdowns. Figures like CZ and Teng have witnessed Bitcoin recover from previous crashes far worse than today's movements, including multiple 80%+ drops that tested even the strongest believers. Whether this pullback marks a healthy breather in an ongoing uptrend or signals something more significant will become apparent only with time and additional market data. Either outcome will add another chapter to Bitcoin's turbulent but historically upward journey, a pattern that has consistently rewarded patience over panic. Frequently asked questions FAQs. How does the current Bitcoin correction compare to previous market cycles? Bitcoin's history is marked by significant corrections even during bull markets. The current 20% pullback is actually modest compared to previous bull market corrections, which have typically ranged between 30 to 40%. During the 2017 bull run, Bitcoin experienced 6 corrections greater than 30% before reaching its peak. Similarly, the 2020 to 2021 cycle saw multiple 20 to 30% corrections. These historical patterns suggest that the current correction might be considered normal market behavior within a broader bull cycle. What on-chain metrics should investors monitor to gauge Bitcoin's health beyond price? Several on-chain indicators provide deeper insights into Bitcoin's market structure. The net unrealized profit/loss (NUPL) ratio helps measure investor sentiment by showing what percentage of Bitcoin's market cap represents unrealized profit or loss. The spent output profit ratio (SOPR) indicates whether Bitcoin holders are selling at a profit or loss. Additionally, monitoring exchange inflows and outflows can reveal whether investors are preparing to sell or moving to longer-term storage. The number of active addresses and transaction volumes also serve as fundamental health indicators beyond price fluctuations. How might the ETF outflows affect Bitcoin's price recovery? ETF outflows can create short-term selling pressure as fund managers liquidate Bitcoin holdings to honor redemptions. However, these dynamics are complex. Research from the Bitcoin Policy Institute suggests that ETF flows often lag rather than lead price movements, acting more as a sentiment indicator than a direct price driver. Moreover, institutional rebalancing at month-end can temporarily skew flow data. The price recovery may depend more on overall market liquidity and sentiment shifting back to risk on than on ETF flows specifically. If institutional investors perceive value at lower prices, ETF inflows could quickly resume. How are institutional investors typically behaving during Bitcoin corrections? Institutional behavior during corrections differs significantly from retail investors. According to J.P. Morgan's cryptocurrency analysis team, sophisticated institutional investors often use market corrections to accumulate positions at lower prices. Unlike retail investors who might panic sell during downturns, institutional players typically operate with predetermined investment thresholds and longer time horizons. On-chain data from Glassnode has repeatedly shown that during corrections, coins typically move from newer, less experienced holders to entities with longer holding histories and deeper pockets. This transfer of assets from weak hands to strong hands often creates the foundation for subsequent recoveries. What factors beyond market sentiment might influence Bitcoin's price trajectory in coming months? Several structural factors beyond market sentiment will likely impact Bitcoin's price trajectory. Regulatory developments globally continue to shape institutional adoption curves, with clear frameworks potentially accelerating investment. Macroeconomic conditions, particularly interest rates and inflation expectations, influence Bitcoin's attractiveness as an alternative asset. Technical infrastructure developments like Layer 2 scaling solutions enhance Bitcoin's utility and could drive organic demand growth. Additionally, geopolitical uncertainty often correlates with increased Bitcoin interest as investors seek non-sovereign stores of value. The interplay between these factors rather than short-term sentiment alone will likely determine Bitcoin's medium-term direction. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics. Price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. 3 reasons why Bitcoin is down today. Picoin smashes past all-time high. Can it overcome bearish pressure? Bitcoin, Ethereum tumble with $1.34 billion in crypto liquidations on tariff worries. Altcoin news. Cardano price at a major crossroads. Here's where it's heading in the coming months. 20 hours ago. By Joel Frank. Bitcoin news. CZ dismisses Bitcoin fears as price drops below $85,000. 2 hours ago. By Julia Smith. Features. The Bybit hack explained, what happened, who did it, what happens next. 1 day ago. By Connor Sefton. Best crypto to buy now in February 2025, top crypto to invest in. February 19, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. New crypto coins to invest in February 2025. 2 days ago. By NSS Tavares. 8 best crypto pre-sales to invest in now, upcoming token sales. November 5, 2024. By Meb Keelikutty. 10 new upcoming Coinbase listings in February 2025. February 5, 2025. By Isan El Makuri. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. February 19, 2025. Binance, Tavares. Next crypto to explode. Top 12 coins in February 2025. September 11, 2024. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2034. October 19, 2024. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH reach $5,000? August 28, 2024. By Ben Beto.